Welcome back to Growing Up Green. Today we are going to read a story. The book is called Up, Down, and Around by Katherine Ayres, illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott.
Up, down, and around. In the dirt, we'll dig a row, drop some seeds and watch them grow. Dirt piles up, seeds go down, water splashes, around and around. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around, like this one. Peppers grow up, potatoes grow down. Here are some peppers now. Pumpkins vine around and around. Look at the long vine on this pumpkin. Where is it? Broccoli grows up. Beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Okra grows up. Onions grow down. Check out this baby okra and this pretty purple onion. Tomatoes twine around and around. Mine are twining up a trellis. Look how tall it is. Stretching up to the sky. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some, let's have lunch.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed the story and enjoyed seeing all the vegetables growing in our garden right now. I love watching them grow up, down, and around. We'll see you next week. Bye!